All right, this nail has some product lifting, so I'm still gonna take my favorite gel X bit and remove a majority of the color. I'm at 25,000 RPMs, and again, I love my dragging method. I always use a double base because I wanna use a carbide to quickly cut through that color. And right here, I can see that I have some lifting, so I'm just gonna tap. I'm gonna be very careful because this is a carbide and I don't wanna damage, there we go. Don't wanna damage her natural nail. All right, now that I have a little ledge right here and I have a little more lifting, I'm gonna switch over to the Erica's Diamond Medium Barrel, and I'm just gonna smooth that rough edge. I'm working in the forward direction at 11,000 RPMs, and we can see right there. If you wanna go ahead and zoom in, we can see a little more of the lifting. We know that we have to remove all the lifting or it's a vicious cycle, and we're also going to remove the rest of this color. Now, if you are using a structure base, that is awesome. However, we wanna make sure that we're removing enough of the base to see what is going on. Is there any lifting? So always make sure you can see what's going on with your base coat. That way you set your next set of nails up for success. So right here, I can also see that there's some lifting. So I'm going to take my diamond barrel and just tap that out, just like that. Just like that. And then I'm just gonna go around that area and soften it. I have to be sure that the diamond bit softens the area where there was lifting. That way I'll have good adhesion with my next base coat. All right, now I'm gonna do my prep work. You're gonna run anywhere from 8 to 12,000 RPMs. I'm in the forward direction, and my first pass, I am really focused on removing dead skin cells off of the nail plate. I'm also very, very gently just adding texture to the nail and pushing into the proximal fold so that I can clean up those dead skin cells. I'm going to do all 10 fingers, and then I'm going to turn my machine off and switch it to reverse. I wanna work the opposite direction in which my bit is spinning. That way I'm able to get the dead skin cells up and off the nail plate in a very efficient way. And I can do this with playing with my forward and reverse. Oh, that is so satisfying. And what's nice about using diamond bits versus cuticle nippers is I have successfully exfoliated this dry skin and I haven't torn into any living skin. Right here she has some extra dryness, so I'm just increasing my RPMs and just tapping it out. Just like that. But then I want to reduce it. All right, and now that I have done that, I take some alcohol and a nylon brush. I like moving my bristles towards my client. That way I can use the bristles to clean out any of that debris, and I'm also opening the pocket. I use my safety Erica's pusher. Oh wow, this looks great. And here I have successfully removed the gel color, removed the product lifting so I don't have a problem with my next set, and done my prep and cuticle work. Now I just need to shape my free edge and reapply product.